So the moral of the story is, be prepared. Otherwise, you end up stuck in the bush for 5 hours, waiting for help. So I'm off on another adventure. Now I've got my rear diff locker, I'm going to test it out. Sam said he might come out tomorrow morning, and so yeah, we'll see how we go this time. It's going to be good, that's for sure. Yoo-hoo-hoo!
Hey, look who showed up.
Hey.
Sammy and Jakey.
Yeah, mate.
Gonna hit the tracks today.
Yeah.
Hopefully get bogged.
Hopefully get a bit bogged.
And hopefully no damage, eh Sam?
Yeah, I don't want too much damage this time.
A little bit foggy, a little bit overcast, but it's not going to stop us from hitting the tracks, that's for sure. It's going to be good. So back at this mud hole again. See how we go this time with a diff locker, and a little bit less water in there. But I know right about there, there's some big tree root right about there. So I don't know why it got me stuck in here, but maybe my rear diff. Pretty bogged. Well, that was a bit sad. Didn't even, only got my nose in there and already bogged, so it's all good. Sammy pulled me out. I think we might actually just take the chicken track. I actually missed this chicken track last time we came out here, but there is one just up the road here and goes off to the side. Goes around that way. Anyway, yeah, I think we might take that. We'll keep going. But yeah, diff lockers didn't help. I think I pretty much got caught up on my diff.
What do you reckon it was caught on?
Just there. I reckon it was just that.
That was awesome!
Oh. He's got a cowl in there.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, your side steps are coming up. Yeah, now turn the other way, turn the other way.
That way.
Yep, turn left, turn down there. Yeah, that way. No, that way. Turn that one.
go. Well, your side step's coming off again. Yeah. Try whatever you reckon. Oh, stop. It didn't. Didn't sound good. What do you want to winch up?
Yeah, I reckon.
Because I think you might have done something.
Nah, it was just a rock, mate.
I hope so. I hope
Have
it
a
was a
look
rock.
under. That didn't sound good.
The smoke right there.
Do you want to winch up?
Yeah, I reckon.
Because I think you might have.
Here's Jake. Give that to Uncle Ben.
Snapped an axle.
I did not.
Stop, don't move. Meant to go there. Right there. Sammy, you've just snapped the front axle. How do you feel about that, mate?
Yeah, look, I'm actually pretty proud of myself because I've never broken anything major before, and I've actually done quite a few decent trips around Australia. So it's the first time I've actually broken something major. I'm a little bit excited. In my wallet, I'm a little bit worried, but she'll be right, mate.
Now, we don't have all the tools. We've got a few tools, but hopefully we can at least pull the axle out. And
But I got one arm.
Sam will give us a hand anyway,
I'll
one
give you a
hand.
hand for the
Yeah.
one.
Hopefully we can sort it all out. All right, let's get started. So I went all the way out to my boss's house to get an angle grinder, cut this axle out because I don't have a special socket for that, and one of us has stepped on it, and it's the only blade we have. Yep. I don't have a big enough socket and the right size for that, so I don't know whether we're going to get that off with a big foot spanner, but we're going to try it.
Yeah.
How's it going? Is it getting anywhere? Oh yeah? You're already a third way through.
Nah, man.
Oh, I can smell it.
Hard to touch the sides and it's ripping it. See how it's ripping it.
This all happened because of that one part. Made all of this happen. So annoying.
I don't know what the So we snapped this axle at 9:30 this morning,
Right now it's 2:57.
and now it's 3 o'clock. So what I've done is I ran to my boss's house, which is about a bit over an hour turnaround time and got a grinder. Show us what happened to the grinder.
Yeah, so basically we got...
So we were going to cut the axle off because we didn't have a 39mm socket. And what did I do? Or one of us did. We stepped on the grinder. And now it's just going to shreds. And it's
there's
like
no battery
sparking.
on it either.
Oh, that's right. The battery went flat. So what I had to do, I had to run all the way home, which was a 3-hour round trip.
I believe you guys have got KFC.
So I finally got the grinder. And what we're going to do, our plan is just to cut that there. And hopefully it doesn't like fling around too much. So after 5.5 hours, we finally cut the CV out.
Yeah,
Next time we'll come a bit prepared. Next time, grinder. Grinders are so useful. It's got me out of a bit of trouble a few times. Good old grinder.